Hi folks, it's Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of SociCake Local Edition, which launched on the 12th of July at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this excellent new release from Mario Brown. Now, there have been quite a few agency releases this year that provide you with websites and tools for starting up your own web agency, your own social media agency to attract clients. This is without doubt a product that knocks virtually all of those other ones totally into touch, yeah? Because what you've got here, not only have you got an excellent website that you're provided with and all of the tools to attract clients in terms of contracts, in terms of email swipes to get clients, other tools to enable you to get clients, but once you've done that, most of the others provide you with that sort of stuff. But what you've got with Mario is then you have got his best-selling suite that was a big hit earlier this year called SociCake, which gives you 12 different ways that you can deliver Facebook engagement for your client. Yeah. So everything that you possibly need to fulfill the client's business once you've actually attracted them is provided here. Lots of the other products show you how to get clients and they look nice, but they don't actually show you the nuts and bolts of how to actually run the agency, to actually how to provide the services to enable you to look after your client's social media. This does everything, as we will see when we go through. So if this sounds like it's something that's of interest, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up SociCake Local Edition from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 custom bonuses, and you can get them if you click on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. I wouldn't want that to happen, folks, because as I always say, they're custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what other affiliates are offering, because there'll be a lot of people, or there are already a lot of people promoting this product. Remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are going to help you use this stuff more than anything that anyone else is offering. So what exactly is SociCake Local Edition? Well, you should watch the sales video, which is on this sales page here. It goes into quite detail. It's not a hypey sales video. It is a product demo video as much as anything else, although there's a full product demo on my bonus page as well. So watch the video below to see how to get 12 of Mario's best-selling traffic apps for the price of 1 and create a flood of leads and sales for your clients and your business with 2 done-for-you agency marketing packages. Very good value, this. You get 12 softwares for the price of 1, so that's the 10 original softwares that were in SociCake, plus 2 new ones for the agency edition. So you've got a content tool, you've got a sin poster, you've got clickable images, you've got a messenger bot app, you've got Soci Inviter, you've got a comment bot, you've got content designer, you've got an opt-in link, you've got a rich post editor, and you've got a post manager. And we'll go into those in a little bit more detail in a moment. And then the agency add-ons. Mario's put together an incredibly powerful and proven agency and marketing kit for you, which is 100% done for you. It includes professional brochures, premium PowerPoint presentations, contracts, email sequences, business cards, you name it. Very easy to convert with all of these tools. And he has created the ultimate and proven Facebook and social media marketing software package that includes 12 different software solutions that will help you effortlessly drive traffic, leads, and get results for all of your clients and for your own business. So everything that you could possibly need to make a success of it. So let's head over and have a look at my bonus package. So as I said, if you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This is a list of everything that you get with SociCake. We will go through the sales page and have a look at some of these in a little bit more detail in a moment. This is the walkthrough demo video from Mario, so you should definitely watch this.
Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I want to give you a quick demo or walkthrough of the SociCake local agency kit, okay?
All right, so he's going to walk you through the product there. And these are the bonuses from me. So the first thing, let's give you a masterclass, because this isn't included in the training. 1.5 hours on how to run a web agency, yeah? Starting it from scratch, yeah? If you've been thinking this is a good way to make an extra side income, yes, it absolutely is, yeah? You've got to know how to do it right. So let's get you off on the right track with this training for how to run a web agency in general. This covers all types of web agency, and then we come on to more specialist training. So the second one is a masterclass on Facebook advertising and how to run your own ad agency. So this is specifically for Facebook, and it's another 1.5 hours long. The third bonus that I'm going to give you now, this is one of Mario's upsell. If you take the pro version, you will get training on search engine optimization, SEO, yeah? Well, I can give you a 1.5 hour masterclass just with the front end that will teach you how to optimize clients' websites if that's a service that you want to offer as part of your agency package. Now, you may want to just concentrate on social media, that's fine, but if you want to offer SEO services, this 1.5 hour training will teach you how to do it. The fourth bonus is a social media masterclass, this is all 2019 content, and it will basically show you how to monetize all of the major social media platforms. And finally, so that you don't waste time on this, folks, how to qualify high-ticket clients by phone, yeah? This is a simple way that you can make a short phone call and find out if the people that you're interacting with are going to waste your time or whether they're likely to turn into clients, yeah? So you can quickly decide whether it's worth putting together detailed proposals and all of that sort of stuff for them, or if they're just time wasters, all right? So that will save you a ton of time and money. So I hope you can see, folks, there's a lot of added value that I've put in here with these custom bonuses. So let's go over to the sales page and go through all of this stuff. Now, it's a long sales page and I'm not going to go through all of it, but it is worth spending some time on because this is a really detailed product. There's some of the testimonials about the front end, the first version, the 1.0. So again, you can pause this and you can look at these in more detail, but I'm just going to gloss over them roughly, yeah? So the first tool you're getting is a content tool, which will discover new, engaging and trending content for any industry or topic. The second one is a Syn Poster tool, which will sync your post to other social media platforms so you can get traffic, leads and sales, not just from Facebook, but from other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. The third tool is a clickable images creator. You can turn every image you post on social media into a viral traffic machine. Until now, the only way to include a link is to add it to the description below the picture. Now you can actually have the links themselves clickable with this tool. Number 4 is Messenger Bot. You don't need me to tell you how hot they are this year. Tool 5 is Messenger Broadcast. Broadcast messages are the most powerful marketing tool today. All the top marketers are using them at the moment, folks. Tool 6, a comment bot. Tool 7 is Soci Inviter. It's a growth hacking tool that converts post likes into fan page likes by mass inviting everybody who liked your post to like your fan page. Tool 8 is a Facebook ads and content designer. That one's self-explanatory. Tool 9 is an opt-in link. It's a one-click lead capture platform. Tool 10 is a live engine where you can upload a pre-recorded video and broadcast it as live. Tool 11 is a rich Facebook post editor, and Tool 12 is a Facebook post manager. So all of those come with the front end product, and for a limited time you're also getting the commercial license included without having to upgrade to pro. And the price of this, obviously with a detailed suite like this, it's not going to be a $10 purchase, folks. If you were expecting that, you're mad. It's $40, yeah, and it's very good value at $40. The original version of SociCake, I think he's selling it for $97 at the moment, and it's still, like, when the launch ended, I think they were on 160,000 sales, and the fact they're now on 250,000 since the launch ended, that shows you how evergreen and how popular this product is. because it's 12. Well, it's the original version, 10 social media suites in one. And this one is 12 in one. So more testimonials. I'll let you watch those, folks. These are comparisons with other things like BuzzSumo, Content Studio. The Content Bot, you've got autoresponders compared to the SociCake version. I'll let you look at all of that, but you can see comparisons with any of the competing products. There's really no competition, folks. No one has got anything like this, yeah? You can also get 30 done-for-you messenger bot templates that come with this. And that is pretty much it. We're getting towards the end of this lengthy sales page, but as I said, it is worth persevering with it, folks, and seeing, reading all the info, because it's a top product and there's more testimonials. And that's the confirmation of all the things that you get for your $40, and it's a 14-day money-back guarantee on JV Zoo. Is it Facebook compliant? It's 100% Facebook compliant. There's been no problems that I've heard of at all with the 1.0 version. Okay, upsells, folks. So the first upsell is $37, which includes additional features and functionality. Have a look at the video to see exactly what you're getting with that. The second upsell includes 7 extra agency packages. Yeah, so 7 other apps for $37. This includes website, proposals, graphics, email templates for 7 different local marketing services like SEO. So in other words, 7 different ways other than Facebook monetization that you can promote your services. That one is well worth it. I know I've given you the SEO app as part of my bonuses, but this is really good because you're getting 7 different things that you can market. Upsell number 3 is the Done For You Marketing Lead Generation Videos package. That's $47. Upsell 4 is your reseller license to sell SociCake as your own and keep 100% of the products. That's $77. And your final upsell for $97 is Mobimatic Mobile Apps, which is a white label product with a commercial license package. Have a look at that. I don't know too much about it. I would recommend taking the pro version and these 7 additional agency packages if you can afford them, without a shadow of a doubt. And that is pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick SociCake up with all of these extra bonuses here, as I said, lots of different value, additional value there, then all you have to do is click on any of these green buttons, then come down here and click on Buy Now. That will take you into your back office at JV Zoo. When you come into your receipt area at JV Zoo, you click on the green button here on your receipt to access SociCake Local Edition, and then you click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. I'm going to give this 4.5 out of 5. It's a brilliant product. It goes without saying. There's so much value in it. It's not the cheapest front end price, but with what you're getting for it, what do you expect? 4.5 out of 5, a very good product and a great way to start an agency service up if you've not yet done so. So all that remains is for me to thank you as ever, folks, for listening and watching this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of SociCake Local Edition.